there's a lot of information out there about video editing. And if you're someone who has never edited before, it can be difficult to know where to start. Well, now's your time to stop looking and start editing. I will teach you how to make a faceless video like Isaac. I will take you from being a no belt to a black belt in video editing arts. Now let's begin with part 1, which is creating your PNG characters. So to create PNG characters like this, you can search on Google Men's stock images. But who has time to keep searching, right? That's why I've already created these PNGs for everyone. You just need to download them from the description. To download, you just need to click on the link given in the description. After that, click on the 3 dots, then click on open with select photos from the options, and then the PNG image will be downloaded to your photos. So to put your face or logo on these characters, you need to download an app called PixArt on your phone. After downloading, open the app and tap on edit a photo, then select the PNG character. Next, go to add photo and select your logo or image to add it. You'll find many options like opacity, remove background, crop, etc. Scroll down until you find the shape option. Then click on shape and select circle, position the circle over your character or logo as needed, and then click on the icon as icon at the top, and then click the tick mark. Now you just need to align your character with your face properly and then save it. Amazing work, well done. So we're gonna split this tutorial into 2 parts because it's super easy. 1 we've already just done and 2 is the animation itself, which is basically just keyframes. Now warning, this can be pretty boring, but you know it's me. It's rude. So I'm gonna try and make it fun. Please bear with me. If I go completely off topic for about 5 whole minutes,
okay.
But we'll get that together. Hold my hand. Yep, let's go part 2. Ooh. First, you need to open the CapCut app and then click on add new project and select your background. I chose a black image as the background. You will see options like effects, text, overlay, etc. at the bottom. Scroll through this section until you find the option called aspect ratio and click on it. Then, select the ratio for the social media platform you are making the video for. Right now I am making a video for YouTube, so I will select the YouTube ratio and click on the tick mark. Now scroll again and click on overlay. Select and add the character image you created in PixArt and adjust it according to your preference. Then you need to add a keyframe. Click on this keyframe icon and move your character down. Move the timeline a bit forward and add another keyframe. Your animation will look something like this. In this first keyframe, you can animate from anywhere. I will come back to this first keyframe and animate it from the left side this time. You can animate the first keyframe from the top, bottom, left or right. So now you can see the animation is done, but it is coming in a straight line and doesn't have the smoothness like Isaac. To add that smoothness, you need to go between the 2 keyframes and click on the graph icon next to the keyframe icon. Then you can choose any graph from the available options according to your preference. If you don't like any of them, you can simply click on custom and create your own graph. Everything is done, but there's still one thing left to do, which is to add the motion effect. If you look at Isaac's video, when his character animates, there's a slight motion blur effect. Our animation currently lacks this effect. To add it, first complete your video entirely and then export it. Next, click on new project in CapCut and add the exported video. Now click on the timeline and zoom in a bit. Find the part where your character starts animating and cut that section. Click on the part where your animated character is and you'll see many options at the bottom. Select motion blur from those options. Set both blur and blend to 100, then click on the tick mark. Your result will now look something like Isaac video.